In today's video, I'm gonna show you video insert text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, I'll drag a video on the timeline, then create a color math, choose black color and hit the OK button. Drag the color math top of the video layer and increase the video layer to fix it. In this time, create a text layer above. Go to text option and create a text. Increase the scale value and set the position. Go to effect control and increase the scale value. I'll change the large font S. Then increase the text layer. Select color math and text layer and nest it. Click right button and nest. Now I wanna change the blending mode on the nest layer. Select nest layer and go to effect control panel. Here you can see blending mode. You will change the multiply option. Now our video insert text has done. Thanks for watching the video.